Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing Wix's AI content generator with Perplexity. So Wix have come out with a whole range of different updates, and one of them is a lot of these AI tools that you can use, specifically their content generator. So Wix's AI content generator will allow you to generate different content to add to different parts of your site. And Perplexity is a really popular up-and-coming content generator similar to that of ChatGPT and Bard, and it also will generate content that you can use on your website. So I'm going to be comparing the two and see how they work and see what would be better. So without further ado, let's get started. So AI content generators are computer programs that use artificial intelligence to create human quality text, and they can generate a wide range of variety of content, including articles, blogs, posts, product descriptions, even poetry and code. They work by being trained on massive amounts of text data, and that data allows the AI to learn patterns in language, grammar, and style. Once trained, the AI can generate new text by following the patterns it has learned. So as mentioned, we'll be looking at Perplexity today, but then Bard is another one, Google Gemini is another one, ChatGPT, all of these are content generators, and they all work the same way. They are fed large amounts of data and they learn from that data, basically. So let's take a look at Wix's content generation. So Wix have integrated AI content generation tools into their platform, making it easier for users to create website content really efficiently. One way is with their design as well. So when you first get started with a Wix website, you can decide if you want to use the AI to tell them about the site that you're creating, and they will get a personal dashboard with everything that you need to manage it. And that's just through like a chat system. So the AI will basically chat to you about what you need, and then they'll be able to supply our website with the functionality that you need as well. We're just going to skip to the design for this one because we're just going to look at the actual content generation. But if you look back on our channel, we've got loads of videos on the actual AI designer that Wix use. So here we can just select any kind of template that we want. We are just going to set up this template here, and then we'll see how the AI is used within the editor. So the first way that you can see how the AI is being used is using AI to enhance your content. So when you first start making a website on Wix, the first thing that it'll ask you is if you want to use AI for your content. The way this works is you will give them some details about your site. In this example, it says the pet care salon with services for dogs and cats, etc. You'll tell them the type of site, if it's a local business, international business, family-run business, things like that. And you want to give it the name of your site. And that way, instead of using filler, lorem ipsum content around your site, the AI will actually use content generated by itself, using the content that you've given it to make website content that's suitable for SEO and things like that. It also means it's more customizable and unique to you, so that you can then use it. You don't have to change it unless there's something inaccurate on there. So we're just going to add some details about our website and see what it comes up with. So I've just added in some details about the website. I've just called it a local business, some details up here and the name of the site. So I'm going to generate the site text, and we can see even from here, some of the text will start to change and it'll fit to what we want based on the content that we gave. So you can see this was something different originally, and now it's changed to baby and toddler clothes. If we go, for example, in the About page, if you switch to the About Us section, it's taken in the content that we've given. This is a family-run business, high quality, running for over 30 years. So it can save a lot of time, but it also means that you're not all spending a lot of time making sure the quality of the content is there. It's there with the AI, and I would just always make sure anytime you use any AI for anything, just to run a human eye over it and make sure everything's correct and the details are accurate as well. But you can see that we've added the AI, we've added the content through AI, and it was really simple to use, really quick. It just adds similarly as well. It's always really important to review the generated text to ensure it aligns with your brand's tone and message. You can further customize it and edit the content as needed. Some of the key features of the Wix AI is that it can generate text based on specific themes like product descriptions, about us page, or blog. You can provide detailed prompts to guide the AI's content generation, ensuring tailored results. And they can significantly speed up the content creation process as well. So it saves a lot of time because it's all automated. You can get inspired by AI-generated suggestions and explore new content ideas. You can maintain a consistent brand voice and style across your website, and it kind of overcomes that kind of writer's block. You can use AI to overcome kind of creative blocks and generate fresh content as well. You definitely want to check for the content as well, check for factual inaccuracies. So always double check what they're writing and just change it as you need it. The good thing about the AI content that it generates, it's not set in stone. You can use it and tweak it as you need it. But yeah, overall, this is a pretty good way to use it. It's a valuable tool for website owners, marketers who want to streamline their business. It's essential to use it judiciously and review the generated content carefully to ensure accuracy and quality as well. So now let's look at Perplexity. Perplexity AI is a really advanced processing language model, and it can be a powerful tool for you to enhance the website content. With Perplexity, you can use it to bring ideas for content and brainstorming, creative writing, content optimization, and fact-checking and research as well. So for example, we used Wix to generate some content on the About Us section for our website. So in here, I will ask Perplexity to do the same thing, and we'll see what it comes up with. So as you can see, I've asked the AI to generate text for my About Us page on the website. We are a family-run business specializing in high-quality baby and toddler clothes and gifts. We have been running for over 30 years. And there's more and more content you can add to it. There's more and more context you can give it. This is just what I gave to the Wix AI, so I'm going to do the same with Perplexity. So here we go. So Perplexity have actually given us a whole lot more content, and they've made it more readable. By that I mean they've separated it into paragraphs, they've used headings, they've used bullet points. So we can use all of this content and use it as sort of a style guide as well to add to our Wix website. And you can see there's a lot more text on it, and we can read through and see how we can use it as well. Another great thing about Perplexity is that you can use it to specify keywords. So if you know you want to create a blog, or if you know you want a certain product or page to rank for a specific keyword, you can ask Perplexity to rewrite content or write content with that as the main keyword, and then it will then use optimized content to write that page, blog, post, whatever it is. So in terms of SEO, it's a lot more powered. You can identify relevant keywords, and again, it makes a huge difference in terms of readability. It'll analyze your content for readability, suggest improvements, and enhance user engagement as well. By leveraging Perplexity AI, you can streamline your content process and improve the quality of your content and ultimately enhance your website's overall performance. But again, remember to always review and edit the AI-generated content to ensure accuracy, relevance, and make sure it has a unique voice as well. But Perplexity is a lot more powerful. It has a lot more SEO-powered content than Wix would. There's no reason why you can't use both. You can use Wix to populate some areas of the website. If you have a blog included in your website, there's no reason why you can't use Perplexity to help you out with more blogs as well. Both Wix and AI content generator and Perplexity are really powerful. With Wix, obviously because it's integrated directly into the Wix platform, it's more accessible for users without technical experience. It's really quick content generation. It generates content quite rapidly. And it's specifically designed to create content for websites, including blog posts, product descriptions, and lots more. But you can only use the Wix content generator if you have a Wix website, obviously. It's limited to Wix users. It can lead to a lack of depth because it doesn't provide the same level of depth and complexity as an actual AI tool like Perplexity. With Perplexity, there's a much larger knowledge base. You can access a vast amount of information and content from the real world, providing more comprehensive and informative content as well. You can provide citations. It will also add sort of like questions and things like that as well. Overall, if you are using a Wix platform, then the Wix generator might be a better option. It's built into it. It's quick and easy. Perplexity is suitable for users who require more in-depth research, creative writing, and a broader range of AI-powered tasks. But regardless, you can use both. You can use Perplexity to improve upon content that you write. You can use Wix for quick content. Regardless of the tool you use, it's important to use AI as a tool to assist and not replace human creativity and critical thinking. Always review the content, edit the content to ensure accuracy, relevance, and a unique voice as well. I think by combining the two, combining both AI and human creativeness, using them nicely, you can significantly enhance the quality and efficiency of your website content creation process. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and hit that notification bell for more updates just like this. We do loads of videos on tech, AI, website building, so definitely stay tuned for more. If you like this video, let us know in the comments what platforms you use. And as always, subscribe for more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.